What happens if you never chew food? Minute 1. Large chunks slide down your throat, scraping and choking you. Your brain panics as swallowing turns into a fight. Hour 1. Your stomach struggles, stretching hard to break food it wasn't meant to handle. Nausea and pressure build fast. Day 1. Digestion slows to a crawl. Energy drops, focus fades, and your body feels heavy and confused. Day 3. Nutrients stop absorbing properly. Weakness sets in, dizziness hits, and your mind grows foggy. Week 1. Blockages form, pain sharpens, and organs strain non-stop. Infection and rupture become real threats. Final stage. One severe blockage shuts everything down, and your body fails from the inside out.